Colin here with Kit Fox Outfitters, introducing our Swiss Army 100 Trekker. This knife is available from us in both a plain and serrated blade. It features a lock, bottle opener, large screwdriver, wire stripper, can opener, small screwdriver bit, wood saw, Phillips head screwdriver, awl, and what we know and love from all Swiss Army knives, we've got our toothpick and our tweezers. Thanks for taking the time to check us out, and please swing by our website, kitfoxoutfitters.com. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and until next time, get the fox out there.